first step, make your opening. Widen your base. Notice something a little bit different than what I'm doing here is that I'm widening my base by keeping my middle finger pretty much in the center and then pulling back with the top part of my hand. So that way the inside is more like a U type shape rather than kind of an angled section. Okay. Then I'm going to compress my bottom. You can do that using your finger or a sponge. If you don't do that, remember you're going to have some issues in the end. I'm going to compress the top in an alligator pinch. I'm taking a little bit of clay off because the clay is slightly uneven. Okay, so now I'm going to start pulling the walls for my bowl. The kind of bowl that I'd like to make is something like this, but you actually start pulling your walls straight up first and then we open them even wider into a bowl shape. So I'll start by pulling my walls up. You'll find as you go that you'll get a lot of thinness at the top part of your project first. So you'll want to do more pressure at the bottom, but less pressure towards the top. Use the rib tool on the inside here. Really kind of smooth out the inside and make sure that it's nice and flat. You can use a rib tool on the inside or the outside of your project. You just have to make sure that the rib tool is real steady as you go here. Kind of doing like a reverse curve a little bit on this one. So now I'm going to take some of that clay away in the bottom part of the bowl. Or if I want to have like more of a decorative rim, kind of flares out at the top, I can do that. And you just use your hands and use the tools that you've got and get creative about how you make your project. Remember, the finishing touches, you want to make sure that rim is real smooth. You don't want to have any sharp edges for these functional works. You can even use your chamois on the outside of your project if you wanted. Kind of smooth things out. And you take it off your wheel, same way that you have with everything else. Go one way through and then go another way through. Try to avoid touching your walls of your project. And as long as you've got enough clay on the underside, you can pick it up that way pretty easily.